Simone Biles, Justin Timberlake, Tim Tebow, Taylor Swift, Ryan Gosling, C.S. Lewis, Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Bethany Hamilton, Blake Griffin, Condoleezza Rice. What do all these people have in common? They were all homeschooled. In this video, we're sharing our why and goals for homeschooling our children.
Hey guys, it's Amber and Jared here from Holy City Family. Thank you so much for joining us. Our goal is to empower you to achieve financial independence and provide the best education to your children so that everyone can pursue their dreams and ambitions.
If it's your first time here, thank you for joining us. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell below to receive our weekly video updates. All of our videos are for informational purposes only and do not constitute financial advice. Please do your own research. Consult a certified and trusted financial planner who will put your interests above their own before following any advice we may offer. Let's take a look at some homeschool stats. According to the U.S. Census Bureau Household Pulse Survey, since 2012, 3.3% of the population was homeschooled. But in the spring of 2019, 5.4% of households were homeschooled. In the fall of 2020, that number doubled to 11.1%, and in the spring of 2021, that number doubled again to 19.5%.
Before we go into our why, we want to share that we understand that everyone has their own reasons for their schooling choices, and these are our family's reasons for homeschooling.
Right.
So the first why, flexibility. We have the ability to tailor our children's education to their specific learning styles, their interests, and their pace. We can build their faith and their character. It gives us opportunities for spiritual and character development, academic and social and family time. And we can offer opportunities to our kids that they can really learn about the world, about the people that need help, the orphans, the persecuted, and as a family we can try to make a difference in our own community and in our world beyond that. For us, a big one is like cherishing time. Homeschooling allows us to focus on the precious time that we have. We know that it goes really quickly, so it helps us not rush through that special commodity that we have as parents. A confession of homeschoolers, she shared an interesting thought. If the average person lives, let's say, 85 years, the 18 years our kids spend with us is less than a fourth of their lives. And for us, I agree with her. I don't want to look back and think I didn't spend enough time with them. And she was saying like 3 hours a day is not enough for us. And I honestly kind of agree with that. You might think we're crazy, but like that's just us.
So another why of ours is flexible curriculum. Academically, homeschoolers typically rate 37 percentage points higher than public school students. With our children being at home more often, we can make sure the curriculum and our teaching fits their needs. We can protect them from negative influences. We can protect their innocence just a little bit longer. We can create memories, so meaningful memories with our family, and we can experience life together more often.
Right.
Real life experiences. So this helps teach them to become responsible, empathetic, and capable adults.
We have a few goals for our homeschool. The question that I kind of ask myself, what do we want our children to look like when they finish their formal education? So of course we want them first to be successful in life. We want them to be the greatest version of themselves. We want to train them in the way that they should go. We want them to be healthy and confident and know that they are beautifully and wonderfully made, that they are special. And we want them to keep that childlike faith. We want them to be a light to this world. And finally, we want them to be confident, have good manners, be compassionate individuals, and be respectful and humble in their spirit.
Yeah.
Currently, just so you guys know, we've been doing preschool homeschool with our 4-year-old for the past 1.5, 2 years. We've actually been using Busy Toddlers Playing Preschool curriculum as our main resource, and we've incorporated pieces from Gentle and Classical as well as the 5-Girl Homeschool and some other pieces here and there. But I really like to focus on the play with my kids. I can see that while they're inside, but they love to be outside, and like today they're like digging in the mud. We look forward to actually sharing more of our research leading up to kindergarten next year and sharing the curriculums that we choose to go with. Our main focus is Charlotte Mason, nature, and a Christian-inspired curriculum. But just so you guys know, you need to make sure that you check your state's requirements for choosing to homeschool. They're all kind of different. So make sure that you check that first before you dive into more research.
Anthony J. D'Angelo said, "Develop a passion for learning, and if you do, you will never cease to grow." We want our children to chase dreams, not test scores. We want to give our children the best opportunity to learn and grow into amazing human beings. We know this is not the easiest path, but in the end, we know that it's worth it. We can't wait to look back one day and see all the memories that we created together through this learning experience.
Yeah. So if you've been homeschooled, or you have homeschooled, or you're homeschooling now, we'd love to hear any tips from you or just any advice that you want to share with us or our followers. So please make sure to say that or reach out to us in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
So we wanted to thank you guys for making it all the way to the end of our video and for watching our videos in the first place. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, and that really helps out our channel and the YouTube algorithm.
So our goal is to read every comment and respond as often as we can. So make sure you can email us, send a message to us on Instagram, subscribe to our channel, and join us as we learn, save, and grow together.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.